Okay, one quick update to this whole system. As I showed you before, the public shared well comes in here, the gravity water comes in here, goes to the recharge pump, comes up, there's a check valve there. This right here is the line that comes in from the spring water tank. There's a check valve here so the pump water can't, the grid pump can't push back into it. It goes in. What we have is this pump, the pressure switch, which is located right there, is set for 50 to 60 pound of pressure. We have the 12 volt pump that's out in the vault that supplies this line, set at 40 to 50 pound of pressure, so that when the grid system goes down and this pump no longer can run, when the electric shuts off, when the water gets down to 50 pound of pressure or 40, the other system comes on automatically. And what we're going to do is we're going to take you out and show you the temporary power setup right now on this system. What we have here is our temporary power system. We have a very simple, just a plain old trickle charger right now, running into a deep cycle battery. Power lines come in from the well. It's just a junction box. This is the on-off switch to turn the pump on out there. And what we've done here, this is just temporary. This homestead right now, the next project is a 12.5 kilowatt solar array. And when all that gets up, all this 12 volt and 24 volt power lines for the pumping systems will all be run into that big system at that point. But for right now, to get the homeowners up and running, this thing will work. Push come to shove, they could always hook it to their car battery with a couple leads. But this battery will last them a good while, and it'll supply them with all the water they need for livestock and for their bathing and showering and household use. So like everything else, if you like the video, like it, subscribe, tell your friends about it, share. You see my website, and I got an email address here at the bottom. Go ahead, email me if you have any questions. If you'd like me to come do any work or look at your place, that's what Carolina Homestead Planner is all about. So give us a try. Thank you for watching.